Happy morning, children. This is your Jyoti teacher. Children, today we are going to learn lesson 2, the personal assistant. Children, observe this picture. A man who sat in a chair. He is a businessman, and a man who stood beside of that is an assistant. Now children, we see who is a personal assistant. Now children, see here, personal means belonging to a particular person. It means a person is there, so he may having so much of work, so he wants to share that work with someone. So now we see what is the meaning of assistant. Assistant means a person who helps his or her employer with the work, or a person who helps in particular work, or helper. Children, assistant means nothing but a person who helps in particular work. But this person helps whom? The person who appointed this person. So now the assistant will help his owner or manager. So the manager will appoint an assistant when the manager was very busy. So he has to do so much of work. And when he is very busy, then he will appoint an assistant. Now see children here. See in this picture, the manager or the owner or the businessman, he is giving some work to his assistant, and this assistant will help the manager in his work. Got it, children? Now, before getting into the lesson, I want to share one thing, children. See this. One cannot guess what a person is capable of simply by their looks. Once again, listen carefully, I will explain. One cannot guess what a person is capable of simply by their looks. Children, it means we cannot know what a person is able to do from his or her looks. This means by looking a person, we cannot decide whether he or she, it means he is or she is an intelligent or foolish. But that person, either male or female, is capable to do all things. It means by looking at a person, we should not say whether that person is a clever or foolish one. It means we should not judge a person by their looks. Sometimes see children, by looking some people's face, we say that he never do any work. In this manner, we will say like that. But when come to the point or when come to the action, they work very well. So, it says that we never judge a person by looking at their face, children. So, this is one of the point in this story, children. That's why I told you. Now we see the children. Here is a story, the personal assistant. In this story, Mr. Nog is a businessman. Businessman means a man who owns a business. Like so many business are there, children. Sometimes some person he sells only toys, and sometimes some person who is having like chocolates and biscuits. Departmental stores are there. He owns that. Sometimes a person who he owns a car showroom in the manner. It means the business may be either belongs to small shops or bigger one. But what is the businessman do? He sells goods to the customers. Customers means we are the people. We'll go to shops and purchase. No. So we are the customers to that shop. Like sometimes you will go to a shop and purchase some stationery like pens or pencils, erasers, and sometimes chocolates. Then you are the customer to that shop. And this businessman, he sells goods to us. In the same manner, he purchases goods also. So here, Mr. Nagi is a businessman and he is busy in attending phone calls. It means he gets so many phone calls. So he has to look after them. And writing letters. He has to write so many letters. And taking orders. It means taking orders means some people will order. I want this one or that one or this much of goods. So he has to take orders from all over the country, not from one area, from all over the country. So he is very busy. So he needs an assistant. Already I told you, no, assistant means who helps in particular work to his manager or to his owner. So in this manner, the story starts, children. So first, before getting into the story, first we see the characters. See, in this story, we have only two characters, children. They are Mr. Nog and the second character is a dog. So, what are the characters? Mr. Nog and another character is a dog. Now we see the first character, children. So already I told in previous, Mr. Nog, a businessman. He is busy all day. He has to answer phone calls, write letters, take orders from all over the country. See, children? So one side he is typing something and another side he is attending a phone call and he's taking orders, and in front of him, see, on the table, some letters also there. So he is very busy with his work. Now we see the character of dog. But actually, children, we know that any dog can walk, bark, point a paw. Point a paw means it can show his hand, or wag. Wag means swing, shake, or move its tail. But in this story, this particular dog, who comes for the personal assistant post in Mr. Nog's office. So it is a very skillful dog. So what are the abilities of the dog here? This dog could read the notice. Tidy the desk. Tidy the desk means arrange it neatly and in order. So what are the papers on the desk? It can arrange them in an order and in a neat manner. And type on the computer. Is it possible, children? But see here in this story, here this dog can type on the computer and take a printout also. So see, it can type and it can take printout and it can arrange all the papers neatly and in order, and it could read the notice also, and it can mew or speak like a cat. So not only like a dog, it barks, but in the same sense, like a cat, it can mew or speak. So children, it has so many abilities. It's skillful. Now children, first we see the meanings. First one, see businessman. Businessman means a man who owns a business. A man who owns a business. And the second one, assistant. Assistant means a person who helps his or her employer with the work. It means he helps his manager or owner with the work. And notice. Notice means a piece of paper containing some information. A piece of paper containing some information. Sometimes see, some circulars will come to you. Whenever our school runs, some circular, they will give you some papers, that notice will be there. So here, nothing but notice means a piece of paper but containing some information. It gives some information, children. Now we see this. Fourth one is suppose. Suppose means think or guess. Suppose means think or guess. And the fifth one is amazed. Amazed means very surprised. Amazed means very surprised. And the sixth one, impressive. What is the sixth one? Impressive. Impressive means very good or excellent. When will you say very good or excellent? When you like something very much, then you automatically say that very good or excellent. When you like the work of anyone, or when you like something very much, in those cases you will say that. Now see this here. Businessman, a man who owns a business and always he is busy with his work. And see, assistant, a person who helps his or her employer with the work. So here see, the girl who stood beside that owner, he helps him. Whatever the work he assigns, he helps him. And now see children, notice. Notice means a piece of paper containing some information. Especially sometimes on the panel boards also we used to get some notice, some papers from that office by giving us notice and some information. That is, notice means a piece of paper containing some information. Now see children, suppose. Suppose means think or guess. Sometimes we have to think or sometimes we have to guess what is going to happen next moment. Especially see children, sometimes while watching your Cartoon Network or some movies, you will think that what is going to be happen next. That is called as suppose. It means think or guess. Next one, amazed. Amazed means very surprised. See here, wow. The sudden expression is wow. It means this boy, he was amazed of happening something. Sometimes see, your parents will bring you a surprising gift. Then how is your behavior will be? Like this only? No. So amazed means very surprised. And the next one, see children here, Impressive. Already I told impressive means very good or excellent. Here see children, this paint. By looking this we can say very good painting or excellent one, we say that. Because we like this type of paints. See? So when you like something very much, then easily you will say very good or excellent. So got it children? Children, learn these all meanings by watching this video 2 or 3 times. Children, try to watch the video first. When you watch it for 2 or 3 times only, you are able to understand. And the new meanings are vocabulary which was given. You can easily understand. So, learn these meanings children, and in the next video we will continue the lesson. Thank you children.